Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Josh, and we're here to talk about the rainforest.
Did you know the rainforest makes up to half the Earth's oxygen?
Which means if it's cut down, it'll be harder for us to breathe in the future. And animals like the house monkey won't have any place to live.
And people in houses like these won't have anywhere to live either.
Ryan, what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
That explains why it's raining. At 1 o'clock in the rainforest, it starts to rain. Well, only in the month we're in at the moment. The month we're in at the moment is August. It's time for me to go. The rainforest people are extremely territorial and they seem to want to attack me and Ryan, so I'm gonna go. Bye.
Bye, see you next time.